Hi, welcome to Learning Monkey. I am Raghu here. In this class, we'll discuss about a few examples on permutations to find the rank of the word. In our last class, we have done some examples on finding the rank of the word. That class is very important to understand. Please watch our previous class and come back here. The link for the playlist is provided in the description below. Coming to today's class, see, in our last class example, we have taken the word and we find the rank of that word according to the dictionary order. This is exactly opposite we are doing here. Given the characters has been given A, D, K, K, P, T. These are the characters that present in the word. And we need to find the word that contains rank 170. So exactly opposite we need to do. We need to find the word that contains rank 170. In the previous example, we have given the word, we are finding the rank. Here we need to find the word that contains rank 170. So if you understand the previous class, understanding it is very easy. So according to the dictionary order, the given characters are A, D, K, K, P, T. These are in ascending order according to the dictionary order. So first, total how many characters are there? 6 characters. So 6 positions. The first position can be filled with A. Means we need to find the words that possible that starting with A. Because we need to find the rank according to the dictionary order. So that start with A. Remaining 5 positions can be filled with 5 different characters. Once you place A here, remaining characters are D, K, K, P, T. K is repeated twice. So how many possibilities are there? 5 factorial by 2 factorial. Why 2 factorial? This is the basic permutation with repetitions example. Hoping you already know the basics from our previous classes. So starting the words, total how many? 5 factorial by 2 factorial means 60 possible words are there. So the words that are possible using these characters that start with A, 60 words are possible. Each word is given the rank from 1 to 60. Similarly, the first position can be filled with the character D. Why D? Why D? Already we discussed about A. The second option is D. According to the dictionary order we need to go. So the first character can be filled with D. Remaining 5 positions can be filled with the remaining characters A, K, K, P, T. 5 factorial by 2 factorial ways because K is repeated twice. So 60 words are possible. So 60 words possible that start with A, 60 words that possible that start with D. Total how many words are there? 120 words are already gone. So the rank of these words are given from 1 to 120. But we need the word that contains rank 170. So now take data. A, D, K, K, P, T. This is the order A, D, K, K, P, T. This is what given. That is the characters that has provided. Once you fill the first position with A and D, the first position character can be filled with K now. Yes, once you fill the first position with K, remaining characters are A, D, 1K, P, T. Repetition is not there. That's why the remaining 5 positions can be filled with the 5 factorial ways. Means 120 words are possible. But we need the rank up to here. 120 possibilities are there. Plus this 120, 240. We need the word that belongs to 170. Means we need the word that between in these options. So that's why again divide these words. How many words are possible? Because so it is moving away from our rank, means we are going beyond our rank. We need to find the word that belongs to rank 170. So that's why. So up to here 120 words are possible. Now take the first position as K and the second position. What's the option you have to provide? According to the dictionary, A should be provided. Once you fix the first position with K and second position with A, how many characters are there? D, 1K, P and T. 4 characters are available. 4 characters can be filled in these 4 positions in 4 factorial ways. So total how many words are possible? 24 words are possible. 120 plus this 24. 144 words up to now. We need the word that belongs to rank 170. So again, K in the first position. The second option, the second possibility you get to fill the second position is D, because A is completed. Now the second option is D. We are moving according to the dictionary order. A and the second option is D. Once you fill the second position with D, remaining 4 positions can be filled with 4 factorial ways, that is 24 words possible. So 120 plus 24 plus 24, 168 words are possible. We need the word that contains the rank 170. So up to here 160 words are possible. So in order to place the second position, what's the second? A is completed, D is completed, A is completed, D is completed, 1K is there. According to the dictionary order we are moving, 1K is there. So the second position can be filled with KK. Once you fill the second position with K, remaining positions can be filled according to the dictionary order A, D, P, T. This is the dictionary order. The next word we are going to get is K, K, A, D, P, T, which is the one word. This is the word which we are having the rank 169. Similarly, the next word possible is KK is fixed. A, D, in order to go according to the dictionary order, A, D, P, T is the 169th word. A, D, change this. T, P is the next possible word according to the dictionary, because K small, A small, D small, you can change P and T. T and P. This is the 170th word. So that's why K, A, D, T, P is the word that contains the rank 170. So most of the time they are going to ask questions like this. We need to find the word that contains the rank, or we need to find the rank that contains the word. These examples are very easy once you understand the concept. Hope you understand how we are going to find the words that contain the rank 170. If you have any questions regarding the concept, please post your questions in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for the latest updates. Thank you.